The default lead in and lead out works fine in most cases. In this part here, you can see that it has worked fine. However, if it were a higher volume production part, you can also see that it would waste a great deal of time cutting air. To see how much time I can save by altering the lead in and lead out, I'll first select the backplot simulator, expand the Info tab, and here I can see that the cycle time for this contour toolpath is 14 minutes and 3.49 seconds. I'll close the simulator and make some corrections. To reduce the cycle time, I'll select the parameters for the contour toolpath, and I'll select lead in/out. I'll reduce the tangent line length to 0.5, and I'll change the arc to sweep through 45 degrees, and for a length of 5/8 of an inch. I'll copy these settings to the lead out by selecting the double arrows pointing to the right. I'll go ahead and exit the toolpath window, regenerate my toolpath, and again I'll open the backplot simulator, but this time I'll click on the word toolpath within the contour toolpath to launch the simulator. By expanding the Info tab, I can see the cycle time is now 11 minutes, 0.37 seconds, giving me a time savings of over 3 minutes per part. I'll exit the backplot simulator and save my work.